Yung strategy nila dito, sinusubukan nila yung dos. At ito, bagsak si Ernest Reyes dito.
And the foul, I believe, will be called. Effort for this guys in blue. Reyes caught dancing with the wrong Ramdam.
At Tubong Cavite. Itong
Yes.
si Ernest Reyes.
So somehow we can say that this is home court, ano?
Ito, jumper, two-pointer para dito kay Russell San Agustin.
So, San Agustin finally badly needed bucket for House of Coach.
Naagawan dun si Reyes pero nakuha dito ni San Agustin ang bola. Dos
Another
na naman!
two.
Oh! Dos na naman yan. Back